Welcome to the eBusiness Boss channel. For any of you that haven't been here before, hello. My name's Nick, and in this video, I'm going to introduce you to the Bundle Hunter. Yeah. Now, if you're a subscriber here, you've probably seen my video on this before. I used a slightly different tool, but I ran through my Bundle Hunter method to teach you to find better products. So it's all good and well finding a product idea, but how do you put together a product offering that's going to be better than anyone else on that page? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, okay? And yeah, let's just not waste any time. We'll get straight into it. Before I start, if you haven't already subscribed, consider subscribing. Also, turn on the notifications bell. We drop useful videos like this every single week. Right, now, the Bundle Hunter method. Let's get into it. So today I'm going to be using Helium 10's black box tool. Now, there's a number of different tools, and yeah, some of them I haven't actually spoken about before. So you're going to find this interesting. So if you haven't got this tool, you want to try it out, don't pay full price. Use the coupon in the description below. It will give you 10% off every single month you use it for life. If you do use it, I will make a commission. We always mention that sort of thing. Don't pay full price because you don't need to. That will be in the description below. Now, Helium 10 have a whole load of tools. You'll probably know, and because I talk about them a lot, we use Blackbox, we use Magnet. There are so many of their tools that we use every single day. And we've got a load of different Amazon tools, but Helium 10 is the one we use the most. They keep getting better and better. Now, go onto Blackbox and select, first of all, the Keywords tab. Now, the whole point of this method is, first of all, I'm going to teach you how to find a market where there isn't very much competition, okay? And you can do this manually if you like, but I would use a tool like this because it will take you about 15 minutes, okay? This is going to be really, really quick. Now, filters. So what I want you to do is set a minimum monthly revenue target of $7,500. I've set the price level here between $20 and $40. Okay, I find under 20 there's usually a lot of competition and it becomes a race to the bottom. So between 20 and 40 is a bit of a sweet spot. Next, in this filter here, we need a minimum of 10 reviews because we're not interested in less than 10 reviews. It's a brand new product. The sales history is going to be skewed. So minimum of 10, a max of 150. Okay, so yeah, and select your category. So for us, we've gone home and kitchen. And yeah, I've already done this to speed this up so that you're not here all day. I know your time's precious. And this will return us keywords on Amazon that are performing to these filters here, these requirements. And this is golden because can you imagine how long it would take you to do on your own? So the whole point of the Bundle Hunter method, first of all, we need to find a market that we're interested in going into. Okay, so that's what we've done. We've got a whole load of different ideas. Now, number one, at the top of the pile is the idea we're going to go with. So it's a metal grid board. Now, these are things that probably, younger people would stick up on their walls to attach all of their notes and, pictures that they like to make their room a bit more decorative. Okay, so it's more of a decorative piece, but usually you'd have it above a desk. I'll show you the product in a moment. So what we can do, because what I want you to do first of all, before we dive into this product idea, I've sped this up, so I know that this is a product idea worth investigating. But what you're going to want to do is just have a look through these results. Look for a keyword that maybe says exactly what the product is for a start. It isn't too generic. We want something that explains the product. And then look at these columns here. So sales to review ratio. Now, usually I say look for a minimum of 5 sales to every review, but some of our products are actually sort of 2.5. So 3.72, I'm happy with that. Anything over 3, I think you can look at quite seriously if you understand the next part of this video. Okay, because I'm going to show you why the sales to review ratio won't matter, because we're going to put together such a good product offering that it doesn't matter that maybe there's people out there with slightly more reviews than us, because we're going to come in and clean up. Yeah, look for less than 1,000 in competing products. Have a look through, and just also I like to look at this last year's sales, because we are interested in looking at these ideas that actually have been selling for some time. We don't want to be looking at product ideas that are just fads, that come and go very quickly. Okay, so next up, we're just going to click here, view on Amazon. As I was trying to explain, I don't know if I explained it very well, this is the metal grid board. So yeah, you've probably seen them. Maybe you've even got one. Maybe someone in your house has got one. But they're pretty cool. You put them above your desk or somewhere in your room, somewhere in your house. Helps you remember things and display things you want. So yeah, this is a product idea that, according to Helium 10, fits all of our requirements. So what we would then do, and what I want you to do with this idea, is find the best selling listing. Okay, so the one I've gone for is this one here, because I can see, because I've got a Chrome extension, that it's 16,000 in home and kitchen. And I know that that's pretty good. Okay, so, but find the best selling listing. Now it's usually going to be right at the top, and let's have a look. This is the product, and yeah, we can see they've got 267 reviews. They've got a few different variations here, so they've been around some time. Okay, and let's have a look what they've actually got, because it's important. So it's so you've got 2 grid wall panels that you can see there, one set of string lights, some clips, some clothes pins. So this listing is probably the best listing because they've got a very good product offering. And this is how you make yourself different. The Bundle Hunter method I'm now going to show you is going to show you how to make the best product offering out there. Okay, so use this information, but use it for good. So go onto the listing and scroll down. Now, Amazon tell us some very, very important information. And I don't know how long they're going to keep telling us this. I'd imagine it's something that they're going to keep doing because it probably helps them make more sales. But the area of interest is this and this, okay? And this is Bundle Hunter. So this box here, frequently bought together. Amazon is telling us that these 3 items are frequently bought together. That means that customers that are looking at this listing also like these products. That's golden information, because this tells us that we could actually put together these things as a product offering. Now, you've also got a little bit more useful information here. So this seller appears to also sell some wall grid baskets, okay? So the little baskets that you can actually hang onto the wall grid itself, okay? So they're extras, but they're things that people want. And by giving people what they want in one product offering, we are going to rise to the top and be offering more than anyone else, okay? So let's have a look. What are people frequently buying with this? So they're buying artificial ivy leaf, and so fake foliage to sort of put on the grid, and they're buying ones with 80 LED string lights inside. So what we can do is take this product idea, use this information, and speak to a factory. We can get our 2 grids. We also want wire baskets included. We want a couple of those. And also include some ivy with these LED lights in. And then what we're going to have is a product offering that offers much more than this. Okay, because we're going to be spending more with the factory, we're also going to have to think about our price because it's going to cost us more money. But if, compared to this, $30.99, we were to offer ours for, say, $40, because, say, those extra bits were going to cost us another $3 or something, maybe even $45, $50. Well, as we can see, if they're having to buy them individually, which a lot of people are, this total price is coming to $62.83. Amazing. Yeah? Yeah. Okay, but I can take it a step further as well, because this is the Bundle Hunter method. This is using the data that's available to you and taking advantage, offering the customers something more. I want to show you something else that's very, very interesting. Okay, so we're going to go back to Black Box, and there's another tab called Competitors. So the question you should be asking yourself if you want to put together this product offering, this bundle opportunity, is how many other sellers are offering this? How many other people are offering these things that I'm going to chuck in? So you're going to chuck in the grids, the baskets, and the ivy. How many people are doing that? So what I've done is taken the ASIN of this listing here, and I've pasted it in here. Okay, make sure you've got the correct marketplace. Click search, and let's see, this is going to tell us how many competitors we have that we're going to be going up against. Okay, so this is golden information. All right, so we've got 169 products found. So that's not too bad, and it's probably why it's a good market opportunity according to our initial research. But we want to know something more than that. We want to know how many other sellers are offering a basket. Okay, so under advanced filters, just add the keyword basket. Okay, click search, and let's see how many people are actually, because if you're offering a basket in with this, product, you're going to be talking about it in your title because you've got to explain to people what your product is. So by putting in just the keyword basket, we have plummeted to only 9 other sellers. 9 other sellers. That is incredible. I usually say if you can find less than 25 quality competitors, then you're on to a winner. Okay. Something else we could do, we could also ask that, look, we're only interested in competitors that have a minimum of 6 images because we're savvy Amazon sellers and we take this seriously. Okay. We know that we would put together an incredible listing with at least 6 quality images. And yeah, okay. Well, these 9 products, they do have 6 images. So as a minimum. But another thing we might do, and I just want to give you guys ideas, is click FBA. Because we want to know that, well, we can basically offer Prime to our customers if we're FBA. And if the other competitors aren't doing that, well, again, that's somewhere that we can take advantage, okay? So, yeah, okay, now we're down to 6. So lastly, to finish it off, we could also add in the keyword Ivy. Because, as we remember, Ivy, these are 2 of the most common things that people buy with this product, okay? So add in the keyword Ivy. And let's see what we've got. No one. Absolutely no one is offering what we are going to be offering. This is Bundle Hunter. It's a great method. I'm quite proud of it. I hope you found that useful. I absolutely love this method. It gets me really excited, as you can probably see. So look, there is absolutely no one that's offering what we're going to be offering. So we're going to come in and just clean up. We're going to clean up because our product offering is going to be better than anybody else's. Let's quickly have a look at the sorts of figures that these current listings are doing. Okay, and you can see these guys, this one over 7,000, 24,000, 7,000, 5,000, $31,000 a month. Now, if we come in with the product offering that we have spoken about, well, we're going to be soaking up the majority of these sales because we're going to be offering something that no one else is. That, my friends, is how you differentiate a product offering, okay, and a product idea. I really hope you found that useful. If you're interested in taking things a step further, I'll leave a discount to our full training. It's over 8.5 hours of over-the-shoulder training. I'll leave a link to that in the description below, so please check that out. If you're really looking to learn from us, we've been full-time Amazon sellers for years now. We're in our own office. I'm in our YouTube studio at the moment. So yeah, that training I'm really, really proud of, and we've already had lots of students go through, and well, you'll be able to see from the reviews that it's been very, very popular. Also really affordable, much cheaper than any of the training that I've paid for. So I hope you found that useful, guys. There's going to be more useful content coming from me here at eBusiness Boss very, very soon. Thanks for watching.